Jordan found a place called the Holistic Sanctuary, and when we went online, there was a ray of hope.
You walked through the doors and they embraced you with their understanding, their love, no judgment.
They use plant medicine, they use 80% raw food, non-GMO, organic diet, no drugs.
They make sure your liver's okay. They run blood tests, and then they hook you up to Johnny's amazing IV therapy. Replenishes your whole body almost immediately.
The facilities are world-class. The food's world-class.
The staff here not only are my friends, I feel like they're my family. I'll carry them in my heart forever.
I think the Holistic Sanctuary is the only place in the world that has an answer for people that want to get help.
The Holistic Sanctuary can save millions.
Johnny's cure rate, and never looking back, over 90%. That's miraculous.
This place saved my life.
I went through no withdrawals.
You're comfortable, no stress. You just start feeling better and better every day.
No withdrawals.
And when you're done, there are no cravings.
Johnny's the real deal.
And I think the best part is he's not in anyone else's pocket. There's not a big pharma company paying him to do what he's doing.
I've been cured from heroin addiction. I've been cured from PTSD.
I was close to suicidal and just about to give up.
I realized I could love myself.
Imagine a world where healing is the goal of medicine and not just symptom management and making money.
America needs to wake up.
People are waking up.
When Jordan came home the first time, I was so excited for Jordan, but I was also excited for mankind.
When I put my feet on the ground, it was literally like I walked for the first time.
Like a rebirth, completely reborn.
I'm 45. I feel 18.
I'm not, hello, I'm Kelsey, I'm an addict. It's, hello, I'm Kelsey, I'm cured.
Don't be afraid to try something new, to try something that's different.
There's probably 20 people, 20 doctors that have worked with Jordan in the past. They said, you know, I've been in the field for 20 years. I've been in the field for 30 years. It's a failed industry. And we'd love to join Johnny and the team. It's a crusade.
I am so happy to be free.
I feel great. 1 to 10, 11.
It's amazing. Best experience of my life.
If you want to get well, you can get well. You'll leave craving free and you'll be ready to take on the world.
The cure's Mother Earth.